In this video, I'm going to show you how to add dots leaders or dash leaders in Word. So first you have to go to the View tab and then enable the ruler if you haven't already, and then go to the Home tab and then make sure to first select the text which you want to add these leaders to, and then click on this little icon under Paragraph section, and now go to Tabs and just make sure to clear everything before you do anything. And now just specify a tab position, so where you want the tabs to end. I am going to just specify for them to end at 10. So just hit 10 and then select the type of leaders. So there's dots and there's dashes and underscores. I'm going to just choose 2 here and then OK. And now whenever you hit tab in front of any of these, the leaders will be added automatically just like that. And you can delete them just by hitting backspace once. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.